Canon is best known for their fantastic camera line, but how do you go about choosing one from such a diverse lineup? In this video, we're going to break down the best Canon cameras on the market today. We'll be taking a look at cameras in every budget range, so regardless of whether you've got a few bucks to spare and want the best value, or are looking for the best of the best, we'll have an option for you. So if you're interested in finding out which Canon camera is best suited to you, keep watching. As always, all the links to find the best prices on all the products mentioned in this video will be in the description below. So for the most up-to-date information along with updated prices, be sure to check out the description. The products mentioned in this video are in no exact order, so be sure to stay tuned till the end so you don't miss anything. Starting off our list is the Canon EOS 90D, our pick for the best Canon video camera. Priced under $1,150, the Canon EOS 90D is a DSLR packed with incredible features, great photo quality, and excellent video recording capabilities that help round off its intuitive design. This makes it great for those who struggle to find a balanced all-purpose camera within Canon's lineup. The EOS 90D takes incredible photographs due to the combination of a 32.5 megapixel CMOS APS-C and the Digic 8 image processor, which work together to draw out immense detail in every shot while providing top-notch color accuracy. A 45-point all-cross autofocus system takes the guesswork out of framing a shot with correct focus even in high-energy scenes, and eye detection autofocus intelligently hones in on the subject's eyes, making it great for portrait work. An 8-way autofocus joystick can be used to fine-tune your manual autofocus points for precise shot setup each and every time. The camera body is made of aluminum alloy and polycarbonate resin, providing great durability. Buttons and dials are laid out in a very precise manner so as to not interfere with your hand when shooting, and everything is perfectly within reach. This DSLR records uncropped 4K UHD quality video up to 30 frames per second, and full HD 1080p video up to 120 frames per second for super slow motion playback effects. With a variety of lens options at its disposal, the EOS 90D is great for those who want to record high-quality video with plenty of shooting options to choose from. The tracking and eye autofocus functions aren't the best in comparison to other models like the EOS R, but it still takes superb photographs and also records excellent 4K video, which adds to its versatility as a great DSLR camera. Its autofocus technology is very advanced, and the inclusion of the 8-way joystick makes manual autofocus fine-tuning an easy affair for discerning photographers. Next, we have the Canon EOS Rebel T7, our choice for the best budget Canon camera. Owning a great Canon camera doesn't take a lot of money, and the EOS Rebel offers a lot of value for those on a budget. Priced under $475, it not only takes great shots, but comes packed with everything you need to get started as a photographer. This takes the guesswork out of choosing a great budget Canon camera. The Rebel T7 features a 24.1 megapixel APS-C CMOS sensor and a Digic 4 Plus image processor that both works together to draw out incredible detail and color accuracy in each shot. A 3-inch 920,000 dot LCD monitor lets you keep track of everything you're shooting in high detail. The camera records 1080p video up to 30 frames per second, and even includes a 3 frame per second burst mode for capturing the perfect moment in a high-action sequence. A 9-point autofocus system helps track and focus footage to keep everything looking great. The Rebel T7 is built with convenience in mind, and that includes the interface. This is a great camera for photographers, allowing anyone to easily access and operate the straightforward, user-friendly menu. When it comes time to shoot, the Rebel T7 is ready, offering a great white balance system and an excellent exposure system, which is great for bright and sunny days. Detail is excellent, with very low noise and great dynamic range. The camera can also take upwards of 500 shots on a full battery, which is great for a camera in this class. The Rebel T7 lacks a touchscreen, which would have been nice to see on a camera at this range. For the price, however, it comes with 2 SanDisk 32GB memory cards, a flashlight, 3-piece filter kit, an extra battery pack, AC/DC car charger, high-speed USB card reader, a 50-inch tripod, and a deluxe padded carrying case, which adds up to great value. Up next is the Canon EOS Rebel T7i, our pick for the best Canon camera for beginners. Beginner photographers can have a real hard time choosing the right camera to get started with. Thankfully, the Canon EOS Rebel T7i offers a lot for a price tag under $700. If you're a beginner looking for a balanced entry-level DSLR that takes beautiful photos and comes packed with everything you need to get started, it could be your DSLR of choice. The EOS Rebel T7i features a 24.2 megapixel CMOS APS-C sensor with a 45-point autofocus system for superb framing, plus a touch focus feature on its very nice 3-inch vari-angle touchscreen with 1,040,000 on-screen dots. The built-in continuous shooting mode can take 6 frames per second, which is great for action shots. The camera also records 1080p video up to 60 frames per second with 5-axis image stabilization technology, perfect for handheld shooting. The autofocus system features cross-type sensors along the horizontal and vertical planes that allow the camera to better focus on subjects even in low-light conditions. It shoots with an ISO range of 100 to 25,600 for added shot flexibility in low-light conditions, which serves to reduce grit and image noise. The lack of 4K video recording capabilities is definitely a miss here, which means the EOS R might be a better model for those who don't mind paying more for this function. However, the Canon EOS Rebel T7i comes with 2 SanDisk 32GB memory cards, a flashlight, a 3-piece filter kit, 4-piece Commander macro close-up kit with wireless remote, an AC/DC car charger, a high-speed USB card reader, 50-inch tripod, and a case, giving beginners everything they need to start shooting right out of the box. It's a fantastic camera that takes great photos for its price range. If you're interested in updated pricing on any of the items mentioned in this video, be sure to check out the links below. Prices update on these products almost daily with sales and general price drops, so if you want to find the most updated information, check the description. If you find this video helpful, please help out the channel by giving this video a like and tell us which product caught your eye in the comments below. Next is the Canon EOS 5D Mark IV, our choice for the best overall Canon DSLR camera. Professional shooters and series photography enthusiasts looking for a Canon camera that can exceed their expectations should check out the EOS Mark IV. Priced under $2,900, it's a full-frame DSLR camera that is packed with professional features and incredible technology designed for stunning photography, eliminating the guesswork from choosing a top-quality camera. This camera comes with a 30.4 megapixel full-frame CMOS sensor, which is advantageous for those who love the larger pixel count and other advantages of full-frame cameras. A 61-point autofocus system with 41 cross points works hard to keep your subjects constantly in focus, even during high-speed movement. The Mark IV has an ISO range of 100 to 32,000 and expansion of 50 to 102,400, which makes it capable of taking stunning, detailed photos even in low-light conditions. It offers a continuous shooting mode of 7 frames per second, with very accurate autofocus tracking and adaptive exposure to guarantee consistency in each shot. Pro photographers will also appreciate the inclusion of dual-pixel RAW files when editing out of the camera, and the built-in GPS that lets users tag videos and photos with satellite-based universal timecode functionality. The EOS 5D Mark IV shoots 4K video up to 30 frames per second, which can also save individual frames from each recording to be stored as still photographs. This is a nice feature for those who may have noticed a good shot within their action sequence and want the ability to select from it. The Canon EOS 5D Mark IV represents one of the best in the company's line, thanks to amazing technology that takes top-quality photographs while also offering a few nice extras, including 4K video recording. It's an expensive purchase for all but the most demanding of photographers, making the EOS R a more attractive option for some. It's not really aimed at beginners or casual shutterbugs, but pros such as wedding photographers and portrait artists may find it perfect for them. Lastly, we have the Canon EOS R, our pick for the best Canon mirrorless camera. If you're looking for a mirrorless alternative to a traditional Canon DSLR, the EOS R is a great option priced under $1,500. Not only does it sport all the benefits of a mirrorless camera, but it's also full frame as well, giving photographers an edge when it comes to larger pixels as well as other built-in benefits. For those hesitant about jumping into the mirrorless camera market, this model will alleviate some tension. The EOS R packs a 30.3 megapixel full-frame CMOS sensor with a Digic 8 processor into its housing, and that means stellar photographs every time. This is aided by the dual-pixel CMOS feature that allows for 5,655 manually selectable autofocus points, giving photographers precision when it comes to focusing. Autofocus time is just 0.05 seconds depending on shooting conditions, and it even does its job in low-light conditions. This camera also shoots 4K video with rich 10-bit color up to 30 frames per second, or 1080p video up to 60 frames per second for some extra recording options. Photographers can use autofocus or manual focus in these modes, alongside focus peaking and dual pixel focus guide. The EOS-R offers a burst shooting mode of 8 frames per second, which is very good for capturing that perfect frame from a fast-moving scene, and the extended buffer allows 47 RAW files to be taken before the camera needs to pause and process the data. This ensures you won't miss anything. The lack of an autofocus joystick is a bit of a letdown for a camera at this price range, which can somewhat limit the autofocus options when compared to the EOS 90D. The EOS-R is still a great mirrorless camera, and certainly the best one in Canon's lineup for those who want to navigate away from a traditional DSLR. It's well priced for the type of features it offers, including glorious 4K video and gorgeous photography without any difficulty. Alright guys, that is all for this video. Hope you guys liked the video. If you guys did, please go ahead and give it a like. If you're new to the channel and you like the video, consider subscribing. We do our best to keep you up to date with the best products on the market right now, so if you want to know what the best gear out there is, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most up-to-date pricing on all the products mentioned in this video. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, hope everyone has a great day, and until next time, I will see you guys later.